up, truck fans? The 2026 Ford F-150 is a beast that blends bold style, insane power, and tech straight out of a sci-fi flick. This isn't just a pickup, it's a vibe. Let's jump into what makes this truck a game-changer. First impressions, a showstopper. Exterior flair. The 2026 F-150 is a head-turner with sharp LED headlights and a grille that screams dominance. Sleek lines add finesse. From the 231.8-inch XL regular cab to the 243.5-inch King Ranch Super Crew, it's built to impress. Raptor and Tremor trims rock 33-inch all-terrain tires and extra clearance for off-road glory. The F-150. Lightning? Aero magic for max electric range. Interior wow. Step inside and it's a luxe cockpit. Premium leather in top trims and a 15-inch Sync 4 touchscreen steal the spotlight. Super Cruise 43.6-inch rear legroom is family-friendly. The driver's seat feels like a throne, with controls so intuitive you're a pro in seconds. Raptor R's sporty vibes, pure thrill. 2.7-liter twin-turbo V6. 325 horsepower, 400 pound-feet torque. 3.5-liter power boost. Hybrid. 430 horsepower, 570 pound-feet, up to 700-mile range. 5.2-liter supercharged V8 Raptor R. A bonkers 720 horsepower. F-150, Lightning, electric. Up to 580 horsepower, 775 pound-feet torque. All made to a smooth 10-speed automatic. Raptor R hits 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.9 seconds. Nuts for a truck. Fuel economy? Hybrids get 22-24 miles per gallon. Lightning offers 240 to 320 miles of range. Ride and handling. It's smooth and sharp on pavement, though its size needs care in tight spots. Off-road, Raptor and Tremor eat dirt with suspension that shrugs off bumps. BlueCruise makes highway drives hands-free and effortless. 3. Tech and comfort. That wow. The 15-inch touchscreen is a tech nerd's dream. Sharp, fast, with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and 5G Wi-Fi. Bang & Olufsen's 14-speaker system, in high trims, turns your cab into a concert. Heated, cooled seats, a panoramic sunroof, and a 360-degree camera make every trip plush. Pro trailer. Hitch assist. Towing's a breeze. 4. Safety and practicality. With an IIHS top safety pick, despite a poor moderate overlap score, the F-150 packs airbags, ABS, lane keeping, and adaptive cruise. BlueCruise enables hands-free driving on mapped roads. The bed, 5.5 to 8 feet, hauls 2,445 pounds and tows 13,500 pounds. Super Cruise rear seats are spacious, with ISOFIX for kids. 5. Price and rivals. Pricing starts at approximately $39,245 XL and hits approximately $112,725 for Raptor R, based on 2025. It's a steal for the power. Rivals like Ram 1500, smoother ride, and Chevrolet Silverado 1500, Super Cruise, compete, but F-150's towing, off-road, and tech edge make it king. 6. Who's it for? Families dig Super Cruise space. Off-road nuts love Raptor. Workers vibe with XL's grit. Young thrill seekers? Raptor R's 720 horsepower is your jam. This truck fits every lifestyle. 7. Pros, cons, and verdict. Pros: killer engines, top towing, and futuristic tech. Cons: top trims are pricey, city parking's tricky. Worth it? Absolutely. The 2026 F-150 rules its class. Want luxury? Peek at Ram 1500, but for all-out epicness, Ford's the champ. What's your take on the 2026 F-150? Raptor R or Lightning? Drop your thoughts below and smash that like button.